Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. I just woke up. I feel like my voice sounds so deep. Today we are doing a productive Sunday in my life. You guys love seeing my videos where I'm super productive, so Sunday is always my most productive day ever. So I wanted to take you guys along and show you guys how I prepare for the upcoming week and everything that I do to get ready for it so I can be productive during the week. If you guys are not subscribed or following me on Instagram, go ahead and do it. Like, my voice sounds so freaking deep right now. There's always a couple things that I do on Sundays. I have like a mental list of things I always like to do, and the first one that I always like to do is clean up my room. My room is disgusting. That's a priority.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy got to live through.
So for the most part, I'm done with cleaning. I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Also doing 2 loads of laundries, lights and colors. The colors are colors and black, so I kind of just blend them together. They're currently in the washing machine, so we'll have to pick up cleaning once again later. I hate when my bedding does this, when there's like a little... Yeah, that didn't make it any better, but the bed is made. And then the only thing that I really need to do to finish cleaning, I ideally would like to vacuum. I don't normally vacuum on Sundays, but there's just kind of like a lot of like little fuzzes hanging around. And then I need to throw these oh, that's something I need to go through. My birthday was a couple weeks ago and I just wasn't able to celebrate with my family. We celebrated last night, so I still have like a ton of the stuff from that. So I need to kind of go through, and I should just do it now, but I'll finish the rest. I need to throw those boxes away. I need to go through that little basket. I need to throw these flowers away. They're literally like almost a month old. They've held up so well. They kind of died this week, but before they were thriving. They were thriving when I wasn't here. So I'm like, am I the thing that killed them? I don't know. I think that I want to light my birthday candle. And then there are a few other cleaning things that I would like to do. There's like a few drawers and things that I would like to organize because they've gotten a little messy over time, I guess. But other than that, I mean, we're done cleaning. So the next thing and the most important thing for my Sunday is always to finish my Monday's video. Ideally, I'd also like to finish Friday's video, but I'm currently filming Friday's video. Can't really do that until I'm done with this video. I'm going to finish editing it. I mostly edited the video on Friday, so I just need to go through, add the music, and just kind of like overview it, and then do the thumbnail tags, descriptions, all the upload stuff. So that is my #1 priority for today. Later today, I also have a group meeting for a project. We're gonna like record our presentation, so that's another thing. And then I don't know, I just have a lot of stuff, but right now I'm gonna be editing my video.
You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me.
The video is now exporting. I can't do the thumbnail until it's done exporting because I need to choose clips for the thumbnail, so I kind of knew I was screwing myself over while I was doing it. But one thing that I need to do is I need to order glasses for myself. If you guys remember, I posted an Instagram reel. I don't know where I was going with this. Oh, I posted an Instagram reel showing you guys I shared an Instagram reel showing you guys a couple pair of glasses, and I need to order the ones that I want to get. The ones that I like are a little tight on my head, so I want to chat with the people there and be like, if I order them, will they be tight on my head, or can I loosen them? Because I don't know if they're an option. Oh, you guys, oh my god, I wanted to tell you guys something. So first off, the glasses are from Warby Parker, but second off, I learned this in a class. See where it says like ad? Like when you search Warby Parker, the first thing, oh wait, that's iBuyDirect. Okay, that was like a really bad example, but a lot of the times when you search something, the first one that comes up is what you're searching for, but in an ad. And my professor told me that every time you click on it, these companies have to pay. He said if you want to stick it to the man, instead of clicking this link, click this link. If you want to do it, go for it. If not, don't. But that's just something, I always thought it was the opposite, but I was like, I don't want their money to be worth advertising, but no, make them pay.
But now I gotta keep it.
I was wondering, if I ordered these glasses, will they also be tight? Or are the glasses adjustable to make them bigger? That's something I need to do today. It's 10 a.m. right now, and I feel like I've gotten a lot done. They haven't responded yet, which is understandable because it's been 10 seconds, but I'm going to basically just like add it to my cart.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave.
Next up on the to-do list is to take my Accutane and vitamin E. I just ate some leftovers on Sunday. I feel like I always just kind of like eat whatever's in my fridge. It makes it easier. I ordered the glasses, but then I saw that you can have your insurance reimburse you. So I sent that to my mom and I was like, I don't understand how to work insurance. She's gonna help me. But the next thing that I really want to do that I always do on Sunday, it's the biggest part of my Sunday, the thing that I look forward to the most on Sundays, planning out my week. I get so excited for this. You guys have no idea. I am a planner freak. I love to plan. I have a planner and I have 2 to-do lists, and then I have a to-do list on my phone, and then I have a reminders on my, it's like a whole thing. Love planning. This is the boost of serotonin that I've always needed. I'm gonna show you guys how I plan for the week. I kind of want to do it on my bed. What do we think? Switch up the angle. While I plan for the week, I think I'm actually going to upload my video, and so basically all you do for that is people always ask me like, how do you upload a video? I feel like it's I'll just show you, I guess. I do it on Google Chrome because I have a Chrome extension. Ew, please don't. Oh, I hate when this makes me talk. Please don't ever. Ugh. One time I was on a Zoom call with a group project and I went to go to my Safari and YouTube was open and all you hear is, hey guys, it's Keegan, welcome back to my channel. My group heard it and I just like wanted to like never be seen again. Create, upload video, select files. This is how I do it. This is how we do it. I think it was this one. We're gonna monetize this so I can make an income and afford college, and then make it unlisted for a little bit. And then that's it. There's no way that's gonna be done in 2 minutes. There's literally no way. Right there's multitasking at its finest. I'm just gonna like let it sit, do its thing while I do my thing. And my thing is using my planner. You guys know I love this. Oh no. The people at Warby Parker said that I need to pay more for my glasses because my prescription had something complicated in it. But I'm gonna show you guys how I make my planner. I was planning on filming a what I eat in a week video this upcoming week, but then I decided I don't want to. I have my weekly planner. I'll link it down below. This week is going to be pretty easy, but the week after is going to have so much stuff, and the week after that's gonna have so much stuff as well. So I really want to get ahead this week and do as much as I possibly can. So I always start with my weekly planner. I like to go on my phone to my digital calendar. I'll see if I've made any plans. Anytime I make plans with friends, I always put it in my calendar, or if I have an appointment or something, I put that in there, and then I will write it on here, and then I make sure I have any assignments, and I'll put them on the day that I want to do it, and then I will transfer that over to my daily to-do list and have more of the bigger tasks. I don't know if that made any sense. So let's start on Monday. On Monday, I have an exam, so I put that on there already. I have an exam and I want to make sure I study for it, and then I have a video going up on Monday, so I want to promo it, and then I want to do one more assignment. I made plans to get brunch on Saturday. On Sunday, I have a cowboy hat making like get together, and then it's one of my best friend's birthdays on Sunday as well. So I need to make sure I send her little present. Oh, I need to make sure to get the gift on Saturday.
Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing.
Right now, I'm going to finish my video stuff, and then I'm going to finish planning because I want to do my daily to-do list as well.
I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy, nothing to let you out, but it all comes down to you. You're my anxiety.
This is literally my outfit right now. Oh, it's only noon and I feel like I've gotten so much done. I was like, wow, I'm pretty much done with everything. I just need a grocery shop. But then I remembered I need to put my laundry away. So I started editing a video, but now my computer needs to charge because it's dying. I could totally edit while it's charging, but I think I'm gonna put my laundry away. Probably gonna eat a Reese's egg while I wait. Change of plans. My clothes were still a little wet from the dryer, so you can probably hear them. I put them on for 30 more minutes. I'm gonna edit more while I wait. And I'm gonna eat more of these. This is like my 10th one today, but can't go wrong. I edited most of my video.
It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Well, now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety.
This drawer really stresses me out. It's been on my to-do list to organize it for so long and I just have not gotten around to it. I have some time, so I can definitely clean this out. My laundry is in the dryer, the other part, and so I'm just gonna clean this out before I head to the grocery store. I have to meet my group at 4 o'clock, so I have some time. But this, no.
It's more than a feeling.
It doesn't look great, but it looks better, so I'm happier with it. Normally I get so excited to go to the grocery store and go to Trader Joe's because I love Trader Joe's, but I'm just not in the mood today. I'm just not feeling it. But I still have to do it, so I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, take you guys with me. I just had my meeting with my group where we recorded our project. It's due tonight, and apparently sometimes it takes like 2 days to have Zoom send you the recording. Yikes. Hopefully it'll all be good. Manifesting it, but it went decent. I stuttered like always. My eyes twitching. Ah, that hurts, but my glasses that I ordered today will help. Another thing that I had to do today was something for my taxes. I had like a phone call and the person was like, I can't find your taxes, and I was like, I submitted my taxes. It wasn't someone with the government, so don't worry, I'm fine. That happens. I needed to do that. I think I'm just gonna keep eating more Reese's eggs. I just can't stop eating them. It's a couple days later. I ended up taking a nap. I woke up, I ate dinner, and then I fell back asleep. But I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, thumbs it up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Let me know if you guys want more productive Sundays in my life, or if you guys just like the productive weeks in my life. Let me know. Love you.